Your pickup is great for hauling cargo, but it's not so great for keeping that cargo dry when it rains or snows. WeatherTech's AlloyCover protects the contents of your truck bed from harsh weather conditions. Let's take a closer look. AlloyCover is a hard, trifold truck bed cover that's designed to custom fit to your vehicle, creating a seal along the sides of the truck bed to keep the elements out and your cargo safe. Plus, the water-shedding design routes water away from the bed without the use of unsightly gutters or drains. It's easy to fold up and secure using integrated storage clips when hauling oversized cargo. The cover is lightweight yet strong enough to support up to 400 pounds. AlloyCover works great to keep your cargo out of sight and features an AutoLatch II system that, when paired with a locked tailgate, provides excellent security. Vibrations and noises are minimized for a nice quiet ride using flexible rubber seals, vinyl-coated hinges, and reduced metal-on-metal contact. Protect your cargo from the elements and prying eyes with the WeatherTech AlloyCover.